everybody, are you looking for a neighborhood that might be a little bit further out? You might have to drive like 10 or 15 minutes.
Yeah, not like right down in the middle of Summerville, but still in Summerville.
But it's serenity here, like with all the pine trees.
Surrounded by nature.
Trails, dog parks.
Parks everywhere.
Where are we today?
Moncks Corner. Big neighborhood. So this started about, probably 8-10 years ago.
Yeah.
And they are just building. Lennar is out here. They've got a bunch of different model homes that you can come out and see. As much as I love those, the neighborhood is really what it's all about here. You're always within like a 5-minute walk to a park here. There's Buffalo Lake. You can go canoe. I really want to see you on a kayak.
Yeah?
Yes.
I can kayak now.
I've
been over waterfalls.
Okay. The dog park here is really cool, and the new park that they're putting in here. The club, yeah. So they're moving dirt right now, and it's going to be in this whole corner here. They're going to have pools and cabanas, and it's going to be like living at a resort here.
So watch through to the end of the video. If you don't know us, my name is Mark, this is Jeff, and we're here with the Charleston Area Living Group, and we help people just like you buy, sell, relocate, and invest in the Summerville and Charleston area. Right down below this video is a link that you can click and talk to us more about it. But for now, let's watch this video.
Something is cooking at Moncks Corner. The rumors are true. If you're not familiar with Perfectly Franks, they were in Summerville a few years ago. They lost their lease. They're moving on here. We've heard they're coming. We've got a sign here now. If you're looking for like a reindeer hot dog or something crazy, this is the place. Very excited.
Wait, it's not really made of reindeer, right?
It's reindeer.
Okay. So Jeff, what better way to end the video than in front of beautiful Buffalo Lake?
Beautiful Buffalo Lake. There's a pavilion here. You can go fishing, kayaking, canoeing. I don't know if you've ever seen this stuff. This is the fangs from the tree. So the rumor is that Henry Ford used this to stuff into the Model T seats. And then they found out that there was bugs in it, and so they had to stop using it because it was biting people's butts.
You would think they would have sprayed it first.
Great neighborhood, really excited about Perfectly Franks coming out here. Beautiful homes, a bunch of different model homes. Super important, if you want to come out here and take a look at these model homes, you got to check in with us first. We can explain why, a whole big reason, but Mark, is it A, important to contact your realtor first before coming to visit, or B, just free flowing and rolling in what's the word I'm looking for? Uncovered, unrepresented without a realtor. A or B, which one?
There is no option B.
No option B.
Just go with A. Give us a call first. We won't hassle you.
Yeah,
right?
no. And if you just want to have a conversation with us about us, about the neighborhood, you can click on the link that's in the description and schedule a meeting by face in our office in Nexton, just
or Zoom.
Or Zoom. Right from your phone, your computer, whatever. Super
easy. They could be millions of miles away.
Yeah.
And we can still meet.
Millions? I mean, I don't think there's anywhere in the earth that's millions of
Well,
miles
what if you went around the earth twice?
You could be really far away and schedule a meeting with us. So any questions on this, schedule a meeting with us. Check out our website at charlestonarealiving.com. Otherwise, have an awesome day.
See ya.